Hello my dears, this is Sarah from SheHoldSdearly.com, and today I'm going to show you around my front porch for a little winter and Christmas inspiration. Alright, so I always say start with your front door because everybody has a front door. Even if you don't have a porch, you got a front door. So this year I did what I actually did last year, and I hung my ice skates with red ribbon and real sleigh bells that were in our family, so it's a little family heirloom. Then I switched out the furniture just a little bit from summer and fall decorations, and I put my rocking chair that I built, and I actually have a tutorial for that, how to turn a vintage chair or any chair into a rocking chair. So I will share that. I added my shutters. I call them my shutters, but they're bifold louvered doors. If you find those at salvage stores or garage sales, grab them. They're great for backdrops on walls. So I just leaned it up against the far wall and hung a flocked wreath on that, and that looked good. I didn't feel like I needed to add any more to that. Then if we go around the walls here, I switched out my regular vintage mailbox, and I have this one that says North Pole Post, which I thought was so cute. I filled it with different kinds of greenery and candy canes so my kids can grab one on the way in, which I kind of don't want them to do yet because I want to enjoy them a little bit, but I can always refill that. That's a fun little touch. Then off to my left over here, I have my vintage sleigh. I found this sled on Craigslist for $50, and I put it on top of the piano at Christmas. You can put it as a centerpiece, lean it by the front door, stick it on the wall. To hang it on the wall, you want some metal bands that we found at Home Depot that just wrap around and then have holes in them and pinch shut, and we screwed it straight into the wall. So from there, so once you've got your furniture figured out and your walls figured out, then you move on to textiles. So I grabbed some blankets. I have ones that I've gotten at garage sales. I've got these green sack pillows. I just tucked a couple of these around. This was a fun pillow. I found this at Tractor Supply Company. So if you're buying chicken food and you're in Tractor Supply Company, look back where their decorations are. They usually have some really cute stuff. Okay, so then I added in one of my kids' little chairs that I'm just gonna keep because it's so cute. They don't fit in it anymore, but I love that for summer and I love it for Christmas. So I put that little kid's chair over by the rocking chair, and then got these really cool galvanized buckets. I've seen them several places. Mine are from Walmart, and they come in a set of 3, and I just filled them with different greenery and then fairy lights. And then the last touch is that I put my tall black lantern in here. Pretty simple. It took me an hour to set up, and I think my favorite part is the galvanized cans with the fairy lights and the greenery. Before you go, I have a quick gift for you. I've written it's not an ebook, but it's several pages of ideas that you can print out, and it's 10 steps to have a peaceful Christmas, ways to just simplify and calm, and just things that I've just learned over the years that don't necessarily need to happen, or little shortcuts that you can take to make it not get overwhelming. So you can grab that on your way out, and if you're new here, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I do post regularly, and I share my professional design advice and our vintage home life. All right, take care. I will talk to you soon. That were from little family heirloom. So if you're buying chicken food and you're in there and hung what are those called? Oh, flocked.